advising us of the situation that in fact continues to be at the site of the crash. It is important to note that these are the departments which are at this point of time undergoing a review meeting under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who this morning arrived at the crash site in Ahmedabad and also spoke to the victims and also the lone survivor of the deadly aircraft crash. Beyond terrible, this is what in fact is being understood, and one of the worst aviation disasters that India has suffered. Prime Minister Narendra Modi takes it to his top priority to understand the concerns regarding the fatal accident. He has also posted on X, and let me quote the statement that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has made after meeting the victims at the crash site, saying that he visited the crash site in Ahmedabad today. The scenes of devastation is saddening, and he has met officials and the teams working tirelessly in the aftermath. Our thoughts remain with those who lost their lives and their loved ones in this unimaginable tragedy. He also said, and I quote, "We are all devastated by the air tragedy in Ahmedabad. The loss of so many lives in such a sudden and heartbreaking manner is beyond words. Condolences to all the bereaved families. We understand their pain and also know that the void left behind will be felt for years to come. Om Shanti," unquote. All right, viewers, now let's also take a look at some of the pictures that are going to give us the details and an understanding, in fact, in-depth understanding of how did the crash took place. All right, through these pictures, viewers, let me explain about the aftermath of when the crash took place. The scenes looked at for at least a few hours at the building. All right, viewers, now in fact, let's also, meanwhile, Doordarshan has held an interview with the sole survivor in the Air India crash, which is in fact identified as Vishwas Kumar Ramesh. He has recounted how he survived the tragic crash. Jatin Rawal continues to be with us on the broadcast. Well, all right, in fact, at this point of time, a forensic team of 9 people from Gandhinagar is present at the scene of the incident, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is slated to meet the wife of former Chief Minister . All right, viewers, as you can see, these are the live visuals where the lone survivor has also spoken in an interview.